That's what they did in America. They went there and they claimed to be ambushed. You didn't know? You didn't know there's CIA in South Africa? You didn't know that there are people that are spy intelligence services of the military and their CIA in this country, sitting at a coffee, probably looking at you at the Starbucks? You didn't know that they're here? You didn't know that they monitor us? I come from there. So you weren't prepared. Waar's ons ouens? Where's our guys? And they try to say something to someone that is much more prepared, much more intellectual, and much more informed than the Skobbel-D and Skobbel-Da that went there on our cost and came back and said they claim a victory. What? What? So it was an absolute mess. It was a terrible mistake. We gained nothing from it. And we came back, and did we change anything? Did we decide as a country, that is now the country, absolute pompous coward, Cyril Cupcake Ramaphosa, sitting there as if he's doubled up. Hy lyk of hy in 4 laag geskep is. He sits there and he's absolutely surprised that there are white crosses in this country. Die dom donor. Now he sits there and he even says to Donald Trump, is that in South Africa? Nee, maar jy moet op 'n kanoe geplaas word Mozambique toe. Because if you don't even know the history that's happening in your own country. And then secondly, he says,